Hi, I'm Jerry Beanie, and today I'm going to show you what's included with the new FLIR A8580 camera systems. The A85 cameras are the next generation of compact high-definition cooled thermal cameras from FLIR. Each camera comes in this hard-sided transport case to keep it safe and secure, whether it's in the lab or when you need to ship the camera to a test location. Inside the box, you'll find the camera, which has a mounting plate on the bottom with a variety of threaded holes to accommodate nearly any installation requirements. You'll also find a 1 meter gigabit Ethernet cable, a BNC cable that can be used with the HDSDI video or the Coax Express digital data connection. There's also a power supply, as well as a wall plug for the power supply. We also supply you with the auxiliary breakout cable, as well as a single non-uniformity correction plate. We also supply you with a download card for the FLIR Camera Tools software program. If you ordered the A8580 camera with a calibration and lens, the single lens will also be in the camera case. If you happen to order multiple lenses, we'll ship those separately. For more information on the FLIR A8580, please visit us at FLIR.com.